We'll guide you through how to use the trackpad or touchpad on a MacBook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The trackpad or touchpad is slightly different to how it would be on a laptop because, as you can see, there's no actual buttons here. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and use it and the different features that it has. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you first of all want to do is we're going to go and start just on the home or the desktop, and later we'll go and open up an app and show you some different things with it there. So first of all, as you can see, when I go and move my finger on the pad, it goes and moves the cursor. If you want to go and click on something, what you go and do is go and place the cursor over it and go and just tap, and it'll go and open, as you can see. Now, if you're looking to go and drag and select, you click down and then drag. And as you can see, we get the selection tool, you can release and they'll then go and be selected. To unselect, just go and click off of it like so. Next, if you want to go and right click, so for example, you could go and right click on a file to go and copy it or to go and share it or do something else with it. What you want to do is you want to go and click with two fingers. So place two fingers down and click. And as you can see, we then get a list of different options. And if I do it over a file or a folder, you go and get different options relating. I could go and press copy, go and share it, duplicate it, and you've got some different things you can do there. Next, what you can do is you can go and open up your apps really quickly by placing your hand on it and pinching in. As you can see, that I'll then go and open up the applications, and you can click on one you want to open or do something else with it, doesn't matter. What you can next go and do is if we go and open up, we'll go and open up a web browser, say like Safari, with two fingers, you can go and pinch out, and that goes and zooms in, which is really convenient. So you can quickly go and zoom in on something. If you want to go back, you can just drag with two fingers and it'll go back. Really convenient. Next, what I want to go and show you is some different settings you can go and access with the touchpad and trackpad. So you can go and find the system settings at the bottom here, or press the Apple icon in the top left and go and find system settings there. Scroll down on the left and you can go and find trackpad. Now you can go and be in point and click, and you can go and adjust the tracking speed. This is basically the speed of the cursor. I have mine about set in the middle, it's up to you. Choose to click, so at the minute it's light. If you go and have it set to firm, when you click, it just feels more of a click. So it's up to you. I like to go and have mine on light. Choose if you want a force click and haptic feedback. You can then go and choose these different options here, the lookup and data detectors, and also the secondary click as well. So that's going to be up to you, and you can go and then choose the option. You can choose tap to click. I just have tap with one finger turned on. You can then come to scroll and zoom. To go and scroll, you place two fingers on the trackpad and you can then go and scroll in a direction. We're going to show you change that direction now. So come into scroll and zoom. So what you can do is at the moment, natural scrolling is switched on. If you go and switch it off, then it's going to do the opposite when you go and scroll with your two fingers. So you can go and have it switched on or off and go and decide how you like it to go and be when you go and scroll. Choose if you want to have zoom in or out. I show you that in Safari. You've got smart zoom where you can go and double tap with two fingers, and you can have rotate on as well. And you can press more gestures and go and see these different gestures here as well. So you can go and see them there. So you can really go and customize the touchpad and trackpad experience to your liking. That's it. That is how you can go and use the touchpad and trackpad on your MacBook. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more guides like this.